How to fix WhatsApp's status couldn't send problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see on my phone screen, it's showing couldn't send. Okay, so guys, if you are also facing this kind of problem in WhatsApp, then how you can fix this problem in this video, I'm going to tell you the solution. Okay, so whatever solution I'm going to show you, you just need to follow that solution, and after that guys, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to resend that, but still then guys, this is not uploading. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, couldn't send. Okay, I'm retrying, but still then it is not sending, so there is no point to resend. Okay, so just let's go for the solution. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. Okay, so at the first guys, what you have to do here, you need to go to setting. Okay, go to setting. So this problem occurs mainly, or basically it occurs because of your internet connection. Okay, sometimes it's occur of internet connection, sometimes it occurs because of your application. So we have to fix the bot. Okay, we have to fix the bot problem. So let's go to setting, and let's you have to click here on the SIM card and the mobile networks, select your SIM, and then guys, here you have to click preferred network type. Okay, click here, and then guys, switch up your network. And after switching up the network, okay, after switching up the network guys, you have to go back and restart, reset your network setting. Okay, reset your network setting. So go to connection and sharing, and then guys, scroll down, click on reset Wi-Fi mobile network, and then guys, reset the setting. Okay, you have to click OK, and then guys, reset it. So after clicking on the reset, okay, after doing your network connection reset guys, go back. Okay, and guys, if you are unable to find that option, go to search, and then search their network setting reset, you will get it. Okay, so do it, and then guys, go to Play Store, and after that search here for your WhatsApp, 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 and then guys, you need to update your application. Okay, so make sure to update your application, and after the update, go back and go to setting, and after that scroll down until you find the apps, and then guys, go to manage app, or you may find here install app, and then guys, you have to search here for WhatsApp. So this is our WhatsApp, and now guys, what you have to do is you have to force stop the application, and after the force stop, click on the clear data. Oh no man, you have to go back, and guys, sorry, this was a mistake guys, you have to click on the clear cache. Okay, don't do clear data, because if you do clear data, then all the data will be deleted. Okay, so you have to clear the cache, and after clearing the cache, you have to go to app permissions. You need to allow all the permissions, go to restrict data uses, check your restrict data uses. If it is enabled, disable it, and if it is disabled, then enable it and click OK. So restrict data uses should be enabled, and then guys, go back, restart your device. After the restart of your device, when your network connection becomes good, stronger, then guys, it will automatically upload. Click on the retry, and guys, as you can see, it is sending, and guys, it is uploaded. Okay, the problem is solved. So that's it guys. Okay, my story has been uploaded. So guys, if you are willing to fix this problem, just follow this process, and then guys, check it, your problem will be solved. Okay, so just you have to follow all the process which I have shown you in this video, and after doing all this solution, problem will be solved. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.